Colombia is a beautiful country, and it's where I live. I enjoy the freedom of being outdoors a lot. Without my prosthesis, that would be impossible. Hello, my name is Victor. And the reason that I can enjoy nature again is the many small microchips in my prosthesis. Isn't that ironic? Climbing and hiking in nature is a wonderful activity for balancing out the stresses of daily life. My son and I are a perfect team.
With the silicone cover. My new silicone cover gives me the confidence to wear skirts, shorts, and open-toe shoes in the summer.
You can live a real good life with all the things you can do as a not disabled person.
Well, the possibilities are endless again, so that's amazing.
Back home in the late afternoon, prepare everything again for dinner. Take care of the kids again, do the housework, and then I have some time for myself.
I found a very nice gala dress and we went to the concert hall. It was great. The functional cosmesis is perfect. It works with the leg.
If you are also interested to know more about the investment in real estate in Dubai, please write it to me.
That's why we care for your mobility, so that you can lead an independent life, no matter how old you are.
Hello, my name is Christian and I'm working as a prosthetist here in Malmö in southern part of Sweden.
My name is Ulrika and I'm an occupational therapist. I work at the Department of Hand Surgery at Skåne University Hospital in Malmö. Especially when working with children, you develop an idea what works or not.
My name is Miriam, I'm 34 years old, I'm a mother of 3 children, soon to be 4. I have walked with 2 transtibial prostheses for 18 years. I'm currently studying social education at a technical secondary school, so I go to work 3 days a week and college 2 days a week. Our day usually begins at 6 a.m. I get everything ready. Breakfast, lunch boxes, get the kids to school, the youngest to daycare, get ready myself, go to work, arrive back home in the late afternoon, prepare everything again for dinner. Take care. For us, the most important thing is time together. We have very, very little of it and we like to make active use of it with recreational activities, swimming, biking, walking. We simply enjoy our time together, and I don't want our time to be restricted by my disability. What we enjoy most is when we're on holiday and spending time together, because we never have that time in our everyday lives. And we spend that time relaxing, biking, going on walks, sporting activities, where I don't want to feel limited by my disability either. We enjoy relaxing on holiday precisely because we have such tight schedules and so many deadlines in our everyday lives. Everybody does what they want, and we simply spend time together without having to worry about anything.
It's good to know that I can count on a lot of people and a big company like OTTOBOCK to support me in reaching my goal.
Helping people like Victor to live their lives actively. This is always a great endorsement of our work here in the Center of Excellence in Bogota.
My name is Derek. For a second chance, and I am not taking life for granted anymore.
Para mí, yo no soy discapacitada, yo solo tengo una condición que me hace diferente al resto. Soy una persona con una cualidad diferente y así es como yo lo veo. Que en la vida yo aprendí hace mucho rato a vivir un día a la vez y eso es como mi motivación. Y yo tengo algo súper, como una frase que todo el tiempo la digo y es todo sí. Como hago tantas cosas tan diferentes que como que nunca me aburro y siempre digo como que siento que nunca trabajo.
I hope you like the educational videos from Best Care Forum. Please, if you have any suggestion, if you have any question, write your comment under the same video or contact us with 00971 509110216. My name is Ismail Nouri. I will answer you 24 hours, 7 days a week. And email to us with the same email you can see on the display right now. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for using these educational videos to be able to provide better services to your community and to your patients. We are very glad in Best Care Forum to see that you are supporting and you are watching all the videos and you are receiving so many messages and so many emails from you. Please continue watching this video, and if you are not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be informed for all new videos coming. And very soon we're gonna have also seminars together with our partners in Germany, OTTOBOCK Group, and you will be informed when you are an active member in our Best Care Forum YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and if you know anyone can use also this video and it will be useful to them from your friends and your colleagues, please share this video with all of your friends. And it is very nice to have every day new family members joining our channel. Thank you very much. See you soon in Dubai or in Munich.